Right, so another dull, rainy day at the Gaining Traction garage. Today we're not just installing fix-it parts, but we've got some make it look better parts as well. So first off, we're going to start with the OEM airbox, which we're hoping is going to solve some of the heat soak issues. Obviously when it's heat soaking, it's having a little bit of idling problems, you know, revving and bogging and whatnot, as you've seen in previous videos. Right, first things first, get this old one off. Get these Jubilee clips off. Get rid of it.
Is that tight?
Yeah, tight enough. So I'm guessing them bolts go in there.
What? Yeah.
In them brackets.
We need to loosen them up in it, 10 mil.
Loose.
Take that off and fix it onto that.
Yeah.
Maybe. Cool on.
Because
Yeah, that's it.
Tucked
It
in
goes
there,
like
innit?
that. Yeah.
in there,
Yeah.
where all that wiring's tucked in.
Yeah. But obviously this is
What is all that wiring, bro?
I don't know, it looks like a USB-C.
What the fuck, man?
Oh, fine.
So put this on first. Move that wiring.
Yeah.
Slot it all in.
Yeah. Take two in that. A lot of wiring in there, you know.
I know.
Oh, it's all tied round, it's cable tied up and everything.
But then that's blocked by the headlight, innit? No.
Yeah, you don't want straight air getting in, innit?
Yeah.
It's that way. Like a glove.
Right, so airbox is fitted. It was fitted in the ratchet garage, so it's not 100% secure, but it's secure enough for us. Nose panel, obviously right now it's got a shotgun nose. We've got some grills to go in there. Crash bar needs to go on. Back of the car's looking pretty fat, minus the diffuser. Front of the car's looking crusty and dusty like Wiggy's knees. So we need to do something with that. Yeah, that's next step, so let's get on with it, man. Right, so grills are in. This one on the right hand side had a little bit of a problem with previously, so some of the clips were snapped. So we've had to cable tie it in, and then we've just cable tied this one in just to keep it symmetrical. As much as the car looks active with no front bumper, we're gonna have to put the front bumper back on. So let's get on with that. That kind of kills it, doesn't it? Fuck that piece of shit, bro. Right, so here it is. Looks miles better. M Sport front bumper, M3 splitter. We've put the grills in. We have had to put them in with the cable ties, like I said before. Unfortunately, it looks a little bit ratchet, but that's how we do things over at Gaining Traction, yeah? Airbox is on. We'll see how that goes in regards to heat soak. But yeah, car's looking much better. Can't wait to keep modifying it. If you like the content, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and catch us in the next video.